What's going on, my people? You already know what time it is. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. We got a new shoe. I can't believe I have this in my arsenal. Let's go ahead and pull this out. I already got an unboxing video. Y'all go ahead and tune into that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what time it is. Trying to get to 1,000. Bro, you already know what's going on, bro. I'm pushing 500. Help me get that goal. Let me get to 1,000 by the end of the year. You already know what's going on. Let's go ahead and get into this. The Undefeated 2025. Yeah. Show you my size one more time. 10.5. Yes, sir. You know the vibes. Go ahead and open this joint up. You already know. Seen all this in the unboxing. I'll go ahead and go into that video if y'all want to. It's a whole different video. Already got the shoelaces out of the shoes. You understand what I'm saying? Because I already knew this video was coming up. Yeah. Hell yeah. Get that all back inside the box. Both shoes come individually wrapped, as y'all can see. Let me go ahead and unwrap these babies real quick. Starting from the left to the right. Such a beautiful shoe, bro. Such a beautiful shoe, bro. Got my orange laces. These gotta go inside these. Yes, sir. Orange from the laces is a little different from the overall shoe, but like I said in the last video, I need that orange to pop more. Respectfully. Woo! This is really soft. Look at that Nike on the back. Y'all see that? I just want y'all to see that. See that suede one more time. It's not suede like how I want it to. Anyways, let me go ahead and get into this shoe one more time. Look at this beautiful shoe, bro. I can't believe I have this in my collection, bro. Take out the shoe tree. Yeah. Let's go ahead and unbox these bitches. The way this shit is boxed up is a little weird. I hate this shit. I miss the plastic bags. Let me know if y'all miss the plastic bags in the comment section. For real. Don't get me wrong, this is good for the environment, but like, bro, it's yeah, I guess. This is satisfying. Look at this how, bro, perfect. It's beautiful. I'll do this for y'all. Turn me up. This shit goes real nice with this Nike Tech, by the way. This is Nike Tech, if y'all wondering what this is. This is Nike Tech, it's that drip. Don't fuck around. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. Tweaks and adjustments after this. I already know I do. Yeah, coming together nicely. It's low-key hard to see some of these holes. Don't mind that. Let's see where the holes is at though. I gotta do some tweaks and adjustments, like I said. Overall, I see that. I'm gonna come back and show you the other shoe. You know what I'm saying? The final project.
One eternity later.
Whoop. Got the final project at here. See how the loose lace is? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, these joints look nice like this. I'm jacking that. Word of my mother, I'm jacking that. These joints comfortable. Take these bitches off. Yeah, with the orange laces go crazy. And like I was saying, like look at this tongue, bro. This is natural sunlight too. This is natural sunlight. I know this is probably gonna get some scratches on it after a while. Or I can see this getting some scratches on it after a while. Overall, this is the final project. I don't want to take that off. Word. If I take it off, I promise you, it's not gonna go back on the same, and I don't want to deal with that bullshit right now. What? Got that polyethylene midsole. Take that out. This changes the game, bro. Bro, I can wear these all day now. just because it has this midsole. I said midsole, insole, excuse me. Overall, you want to make sure that your foot can just slide into these. That's why they're loose fit, you know what I'm saying? I mean, on that. Make sure your foot can just slide into them. Just like that, gang. Just like that, gang. Word of my mother. Just like that, gang. Just like that. I know that probably broke a lot of y'all hearts. I ain't even mean to put my foot in there like that, but it is what it is. Wear your shoes, y'all. I said this in some of my first videos. Wear your shoes. Ooh, these joints is comfortable. These joints is nice. I like the way these bitches look. Overall, son, this is one of the best shoes of the whole year, if not the best shoe of the whole year. Shout out to Brick by Bricks, respectfully. But nah, these right here go crazy. Look at that orange, bro. That joint is fire. Look at that zoom. Look at that orange, bro. Hey, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to keep turning me up, y'all. God is good all the time. Y'all stay blessed. It's Key Sneaks. Yes, sir. Help me get to 500. Help me get to 1,000. Help me keep growing. All that good stuff. Let me know how y'all feel about these. All that good stuff. More videos is coming soon. More sneakers is coming soon. Yeah. We out of here, y'all.